Hello everyone, this is Seth from Infinitive Passive Income and welcome to another video. So today I will talk about my 4 best affiliate programs that I promote currently and I find them great and profitable to promote. Besides these programs have a recurring commissions, which mean you will be paid a small commission every month. Depend on the program and the percentage the program offer to you. But before we start this video, there is a link below. If you want to start your affiliate marketing journey, click it. You will get valuable free training, will help you a lot to start your affiliate marketing journey. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And now let's get started. The first one is Fiverr affiliate. Fiverr has a great affiliate program to promote. There is 2 plans to promote Fiverr. There is Fiverr CPA and Fiverr Hybrid. The Fiverr CPA gives you $15 to $150 depending on what service your first time buyer purchase. And the Fiverr Hybrid gives you $10 plus 10% review share and is easy to promote. Just find someone who search for a service, after go to Fiverr, take that service with your affiliate link and offer it to that person. And there is hundreds of videos on YouTube talk about Fiverr affiliate and how you can make money from this program. The second program is GetRespense. GetRespense is an email marketing tool, have a great reputation in the market. Besides, they have an awesome affiliate program. Also, GetRespense have 2 plans. The first one gives you $100 per every sale referred, and the second one gives you 33% for every sale referred, but monthly. You will get 33% recurring commissions each month from the user you referred, and I prefer of course the second one because it's a switchable long-term revenue. And the third program is ClickFunnel. ClickFunnel is one from the best affiliate programs. If you don't promote ClickFunnel, you miss a huge opportunity here. ClickFunnel has the best recurring commission I ever seen before, up to 30% recurring commission. The price of ClickFunnel is between $100 to $300. So everyone sign up from your link. Let's take just the $100 plan. You will earn $40 every month. The user you referred will pay $100 a month to use ClickFunnel and you will get $40 recurring commissions. And remember, ClickFunnel is a landing and funnel builder. Everyone use ClickFunnel, stick with it from a long time because at my opinion ClickFunnel is the best funnel builder on the internet. So you have a big opportunity here promoting ClickFunnel. And the last one is my favorite one, is WarriorPlus. As I mentioned before in a previous video, I focused on WarriorPlus and JVZoo recently, and I already shown you how I made $200 in one day with just 2 hours of work. The video is here, go to check it. So WarriorPlus basically is a marketplace, have thousands of products and softwares to promote as an affiliate. Just send a request to the owner of any product you want to promote and he will accept you. After start promoting the product, you can start with YouTube, like creating a review or a video talk about that product, or create a blog to express your honest reviews about those products, or you can start advertising on Facebook ads or Google ads. And there is hundreds of strategies you can use to promote this kind of offers. And you must know that WarriorPlus has only digital products like tools and softwares you can use online, but you must know that most of those products are garbage, so you must be careful when you want to promote an offer. You must see the vendor reputation and what the problem the product solves. Also, you can request an access review from the vendor to test and use the product by yourself to be sure what you will offer to your audience. And there is tons of products launched every day, so take your time and analyze before you take an action. And finally, if you want to start your affiliate marketing business, the real affiliate marketing, click the first link below. And of course, if you see this video helpful, give it a like, smash subscribe button for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.